Hello, welcome to another video on solar installation tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Today we are looking at a special component of the solar system. This component is the brain of a solar system. Charge controller is our topic today. A charge controller manages power flow from PV array to load. This component prevents overcharge and overdrain of the battery bank. It has a low voltage protection mechanism. It automatically disconnects the load from battery, preventing it from damage. Procedure when connecting this component into a solar system. Connect battery first, solar panel, and then connect load. When disconnecting, start with the load, solar panel, and then disconnect battery. There is a special type of solar regulator I need to talk about. Maximum Power Point Tracker Charge Controller. MPPT in short. An MPPT is an electronic DC to DC converter that optimizes the match between the solar array and battery voltage. It does this by converting higher voltage DC output from solar panels down to a lower voltage to charge batteries. There is some confusion about the term tracking. Panel tracking is where the panels are on a mount that follows the sun. Optimizing is done by following the sun across the sky for maximum sunlight. But MPPT charge controller compares the output from the panel output to battery voltage. It then figures what is the power that the panel can put out to charge the battery. It takes this and converts it to best voltage to get maximum current into the battery. It is the current that counts when charging batteries. Modern MPPT are 93 to 97% efficient in the conversion. You can typically get 20 to 45% power gain, but actual gain can vary widely depending on temperature, battery state of charge, and other factors. For example, assume you have a 130-watt panel that is 17.6 volts at 7.4 amps to charge a low 12 volts battery. An MPPT takes 17.6 volts at 7.4 amps and converts it in so that the battery gets 10.8 amps at 12 volts, thereby making maximum use of panel maximum capacity. That is 130 watts. MPPT regulator is most effective under these conditions: cold weather, low battery charge, long wire runs. Thank you for watching.